Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the groundbreaking for the Harmony Cove project in Trelawney. Now this is a massive development. It's going to be on over 200 acres of land and the investment is over 1 billion US dollars. That's almost 165 billion Jamaican dollars. Now, this project has been in the works for quite some time, but just recently the government passed a bill where they gave investors or companies investing over 1 billion US dollars special tax rates. They get special tax benefits or incentives. And as a result of that, the floodgates are going to open with reinvestment in Jamaica. Harmony Cove is just one of these developments. Some major hotels are also planning billion-dollar expansions or new hotels starting up. So this is definitely a game changer. Now we're driving through Falmouth today. Falmouth is the capital of Trelawney and home to the Falmouth cruise ship pier or terminal. And it's the #1 cruise ship terminal in Jamaica. And I think the #1 in the Caribbean. Massive facility. So, in addition to this world-class pier that Falmouth has, Falmouth is now, or Trelawney, is now emerging as a whole major hotel player. I don't think they'll ever surpass Montego Bay, but they're definitely emerging as a major tourist player. So they can join towns like Negril, Ocho Rios, Port Antonio, Montego Bay as tourist destinations. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening at Harmony Cove. The official groundbreaking for the long-anticipated Harmony Cove Resort in Duncan's Trelawney marks a major milestone not only in Jamaica's tourism sector, but also in its economic development strategy. Valued at US $1 billion, this luxury mega project has been in the pipeline for over 2 decades. Now under the leadership of the Nexus Luxury Collection and with strong support from Prime Minister Andrew Holness, the resort has finally moved from concept to construction. But what makes this development especially significant is not just its scale, it is the promise of ownership for ordinary Jamaicans. During the ribbon-cutting ceremony, Nexus managing partner Christopher Anand announced that the developers are planning an initial public offering, IPO, that will give Jamaicans a chance to invest in the resort once construction is underway. This IPO is not geared toward large institutional investors, but rather everyday citizens with minimum investment thresholds expected to start as low as US $1,000. The goal, Anand stated, is to make Jamaicans not only the best customer of Harmony Cove, but also its best shareholders. This marks a bold and progressive shift in how large-scale tourism projects are typically financed and owned in the Caribbean. Too often, luxury resorts are developed with heavy foreign investment, resulting in most of the profits being exported, while locals are left with low-wage jobs and minimum long-term benefits. Harmony Cove's proposed IPO model seeks to reverse that trend by broadening wealth participation and fostering a sense of national ownership in one of the country's most high-profile developments. From a tourism standpoint, Harmony Cove is poised to elevate Jamaica's global image as a luxury destination. The resort will include high-end hotels, private villas, golf courses, a marina, and entertainment facility, all aimed at attracting affluent visitors from North America and beyond. Located along the scenic North Coast, the project aligns with the government's vision of diversifying Jamaica's tourism product beyond the traditional Montego Bay and Ocho Rios offerings. Prime Minister Prime Minister Holness has emphasized that the government negotiated the project responsibly, ensuring that Jamaica did not give up more than it had to make it viable. This reflects a broader effort by the state to maintain control over national assets while still encouraging foreign direct investment. The challenge, however, will be ensuring that promises of local inclusion, especially through the IPO, are kept and made accessible in practice. Alright, guys, that's the end of the update article. So, this is great news that the project has started. We will keep you guys updated and give you updates on the developments every 2 weeks. Alright, guys, thanks for taking the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.